Hey everyone, Grouchy Lenny here. Here to do the Shackman P5 challenge. And sorry if you watched it earlier this morning. There was something messed up with the audio. It had a thumping noise. I think I've having some problems with my microphone. So I'm going to try and sort this out, but hopefully this will record better. Anyway, I'm going to do the P5 challenge. And safety first. Larry's on standby with the key in case anything goes sideways here. I'm going to put this cuff on my left arm, bows up, keyhole facing outward. This one I'm going to put bows down, keyhole facing inward. And next, because I don't have proper pair of mittens, I'm going to use these pot holders. And I've got tools from Southern Specialties here. I have a shim, long-handled shim from the Shackman set. And I have this slightly offset gentle reach, also Southern Specialties from the Shackman set. If you're doing a lot of handcuff escapes, playing around with handcuffs, I'm going to recommend you pick it up. You can get it in a nice brown or black leather case, and it comes with a variety of tools, which I can't show you right now because mittens. Anyway, now I need to pick my way out of one and shim my way out of the other. So, without further ado, let's see if I can do this with mittens on. Sorry. The family is texting regarding dinner, I believe. I'm going to, as I said before, pick my way out of this one, hopefully. It worked this morning, but I'm having a little more difficulty right now. Of course. Let's see if I can. Oh, and I did it wrong, didn't I? Wait a minute. Ah. Let's try it this way. Let's try and shim out of this one. And we'll try and pick our way out of this one. Sometimes you just gotta switch up your strategies. Of course, this is my offhand trying to pick now, so we'll see how this goes. There we go. Actually managed to pull it off. Alrighty. Mittens off, and now I'll go ahead and show you the contents of the Shackman set from Southern Specialties. So there you go. If you're looking to play around with cuff escapes, I recommend picking this up. It's a great set. Gives you a lot of tools to play with. Alrighty. That's it for today. Y'all have a good one. Keep on picking and grinning. Bye.